we run our application properly, but we didn't test it, what's happened when we are getting the movies. Let's try it together. Under the get API movies, let's try it out with the Swagger user interface. If you are click the execute button, you can get the exception. As you can see that it's getting the SQL exception. SQL exception say that cannot open the database movies API context requested by the login because we haven't created any database yet. So now we need to create database in order to store movie records. In this video, we are going to arrange our database with using in-memory database for Entity Framework Core. So let's take an action. Let me close this application now. And as you know that we have registered startup Entity Framework Core in the startup class. So see the addDB context object. This is the registration keyword. And in the connection string, we have also app settings. We have a default connection string, right? But in this application, we are going to use in-memory database. So we don't need to create a real database. Instead of that, Entity Framework Core has very good feature that we can manage data into in-memory database configuration. For that purpose, I'm going to change these operations. So before that, let me add the NuGet package regarding to in-memory operations. For that purpose, let me right click the dependencies, open the manage NuGet packages, and just browse the Entity Framework Core, Microsoft Entity Framework Core package, and pick the in-memory one. Let me scroll a little bit down. Yes, as you can see that Microsoft Entity Framework Core has in-memory database package. So let's download this package in our application. After that, now we can arrange our database according to in-memory option. So let me close other windows and change the startup configuration under the configure services. So I'm going to change DB context object, and the options I will use the in-memory object. Use in-memory database. As you can see that this is in-memory database comes from our in-memory package. So now we don't need to give any connection string. Instead of that, the only requirement is getting the database name. So that's why I'm only giving the movies string in here. So now let me run the application and what's happened to see together. Okay, the application started properly, and let me try with the movies get method now. Yes, as you can see that now no SQL exception, but we saw empty list. We should seed database with the default values. Next video we are going to seed our in-memory database.